Well, we want to get x on one side of the equation, so let's subtract x from both sides. I'll get negative x plus zx plus zy equals 0. Remember, I can't combine this negative x with either this term or this term since the variables are completely different. To isolate these two terms that have x, I subtract zy from both sides. This gives me negative x plus zx equals negative zy. Now, this equation doesn't quite match any of these. So there must be something else I can do. Well, let's multiply this equation through by a negative 1. If we multiply every term by a negative 1, we really change all of these signs. This will become positive, this will become negative, and this will become positive. So x minus zx is equal to zy. Well, that would be this one here. X minus zx equal to zy. This equation has just been flipped over. This was the tough way to do it. Let me show you a quicker way. We know we want to get these x terms alone on one side of the equation. So if we just subtract zx from both sides, we get there a lot quicker. Zy is equal to x minus zx. This is where your algebra skills can come into play. If you think a little bit forward, you can predict what you're going to get. Try and choose the simpler method. Having two x terms isolated on the right side of the equation is the same as having x terms isolated on the left side of the equation. This one just happens to be much easier.